Hey everyone, it is Andrea and today I'm coming at you with a very exciting video. I don't remember if I did one of these last year, did I? I don't know. But we are going over the Cyber Monday mystery from this year and I am so excited. So this already released and my whole heart, I am so excited to show y'all. This has been done for a while and I am just obsessed with this and I cannot wait to use it. So let's go ahead and show you what this year's Cyber Monday mystery is. It's a board game night kit and I am so excited. This was highly requested after the Candyland kit to do like a board game-esque kit. So let's go ahead and go through this. Of course, it is exclusive art, so you won't find it anywhere else. But how stinking pretty is this? We'll go through the kit first and then we'll go through the foil, which is like equally as show-stopping. If not, maybe more. I don't know. You'll have to let me know. So first things first, you do have lots of fashion boxes here. You have this one, and I love the rainbow colors. You have the friends playing the board game. You have this stack here of board games, but you'll see there are more stacks of board games kind of based on your preference. Maybe you like all of them and you use all the boxes. There's like dice, snacks, up like a, what is that called? I don't play it. Like when you play ping pong with the cup. Jenga, Cokes, and a little charcuterie board, Clue, Scrabble, Monopoly pieces, some dominoes. Wanted to get as many like game references out there as possible. And Kit and Jess obviously did this art and it's phenomenal. These colors are amazing. Everything beautiful. I love the deco. There's lots of teeny deco in here as well. It's just so stinking pretty. Perfect for like a game night week or just using anytime. So Jess was like, what about a modern like games and then also like a kiddie games? But you could always use like all of them if you really just want to put all of the game boxes in there. These patterns are super cute with the rainbow colors throughout. Your little things, your solid, and your pattern, and then your bottom washi. I love this. So you have the rainbow here, and then you have the grid with the rainbow, and then the extra box, which would be perfect for a quote, which you may have seen in, actually I don't know if that video came out yet, Bennett's birthday spread, but also when I ordered it, I ordered foiled quotes from PLANMAS that were like board game and rainbow, and I don't think anyone ever said anything, but that's what I ordered them for. And I am just obsessed with this, and I love this like little background here. The extra color is the green, and this is how the like mysteries will be set up once, I think in March, when they won't have the ombres anymore. It'll be the extra color and the doodles for the ultimate. And then the extra boxes here, you have different skin tone hair color options for this box here. And then you have the hands holding the Monopoly money. So I just wanted to make sure we had lots of fashion boxes in here. And this is just like something I love because I love Monopoly. So that is the whole kit. I love it. I think it's so stinking cute. And then let's go into the foil. So first things first is there is the foil bundle, which this, look, okay, you're seeing rainbow, but wait. Let me show you. I actually might need my light. I feel like under studio lights, I feel like foil just doesn't do what it needs to do. But it is a mixed metal of sparkly rainbow and regular rainbow, which is just so fun. But it's in the shimmer format. And again, it is a mixed metal of the sparkly rainbow and regular rainbow. So there will be a lot of like kind of like variation throughout, and your sheets might look a little different based on how the foil kind of laid. But I am so obsessed, and you can see here probably more the mixed metal of the regular rainbow and the sparkly rainbow. But I just fell in love with this kind of combo idea, and then it being able to be paired with this mystery. I just was so obsessed. And then last but not least, we also do have the rainbow matte sampler in the sparkly rainbow, so that'll be in there as well. And that is the entire Cyber Monday mystery. I hope y'all love it. I have been so excited, and the foil bundle for the kit, just the whole thing, I am pumped, and I hope y'all love it too. But that is everything for this reveal video. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Otherwise, I'll talk to you in the next one.